Home is
Home to me is
Home is shelter and a solid roof over your head.
Home is a place wherever I can relax with my future wife.
it's not just a building, it's the love and it's the emotion that you put up into the structure that you living under.
Home is built with these hands.
my place of respite, my place of rest.
Home is getting home after a long, hard day and kicking your feet up and starting the fireplace and watching the world go by outside.
A place where I feel safe and where I can express myself.
Home is where you get to watch the babies grow.
Sanctuary, somewhere that you can have a safe space with your loved ones to enjoy and have that quality time, because that's the most important thing there is in life.
Home is where my family is. Home is where the arch is. That's home. I've had the opportunity to work with a lot of people that were trying to find home. And I'm so grateful to be a small piece of instrument, a vehicle. These cabins are a vehicle for homes, for many people that have been moving from place to place their whole life, and then they finally get to own something that's theirs. They can be their home. So we stay a lot of places in our life. Stay a lot of places, and it's rare in this lifetime that we find home. Yeah, that's home.